If you have historical data set and you want to visualize based on month over month, then I will show you a simple pivot table technique to create this amazing colorful column chart which show you the changes for each and every year based on month over month. Consider I have two columns of data set. The first thing we need to create a new helper column and I will call this column, let's say, month number. The next thing I need to create a month formula, open parentheses. For the serial number, I need to select the dates and simply hit enter. Now I will click anywhere on this table, click on insert. We need to insert pivot table on a new worksheet. The first thing I will move the date on a rows field and now you can see it's automatically group the dates. In this case, I don't want the quarters, so I will remove this field. And now you can see the date, which are the actual dates. In this case, I don't want, so I will also remove the actual dates. Now you can see we have only leave with year and month. The next thing, I will simply move the wind speed on a values area. Now in this case, I need to move the months field on the top of the year. So I will simply move the month on the top of year. Now I will right click anywhere on my pivot table and here you can see expand collapse. We need to click expand entire field. Now the last thing here you can see month number field. I will simply move this on a column area. And now you can see our pivot table work like this. Now I will click on pivot chart and simply insert the first column chart, hit OK. Right click on the field button and simply hide all field buttons. In this case, I don't want the legend, so I will click and hit delete key. Select any of the columns. Right click, format data series. For the gap width, I will simply choose 0%. And for the series overlap, I will choose 100%. Now I will adjust the series overlap just to make my chart look cleaner. For now, I will cut this chart from here. Click on data sheet, click here and simply hit Ctrl V. I will close this format chart area window and simply expand the size of my chart. This is how we can create month over month clean column chart using simple pivot table technique.